Module 7. Data Acquisition and Preservation. Welcome to this tutorial on data acquisition and preservation. In digital forensics, proper handling of evidence is crucial to ensure the integrity and admissibility of collected data. In this video, we will explore guidelines for evidence collection, imaging, and hashing techniques, as well as the importance of maintaining a chain of custody to preserve the integrity of the evidence. Let's begin by discussing the guidelines for evidence collection. When collecting digital evidence, it is essential to adhere to certain guidelines to maintain the integrity of the data and ensure its admissibility in court. These guidelines include: 1. Documenting the scene. Thoroughly document the crime scene or the source of the evidence, including its physical location, surrounding environment, and any relevant information that may aid in the investigation. 2. Identifying and securing the evidence. Identify the relevant digital devices or storage media and ensure they are properly seized, labeled, and stored in a secure and tamper-proof manner to prevent any alteration or contamination. 3. Minimizing physical interactions. Minimize physical interactions with the evidence to avoid unintentional changes or damage. Use appropriate tools and techniques to handle digital devices and storage media. Following best practices, let's explore imaging and hashing techniques used in data acquisition and preservation. Imaging is the process of creating an exact replica or a bit-for-bit copy of a digital device or storage media. This ensures the preservation of the original data while allowing investigators to work on the replicated image, minimizing the risk of data alteration. To ensure data integrity, cryptographic hash functions are used. Hashing generates a unique hash value for a given data set. By comparing the hash values of the original and replicated images, investigators can verify that the copied data matches the original, guaranteeing its integrity. Lastly, let's discuss the chain of custody and its importance in preserving evidence integrity. The chain of custody is the documented and unbroken trail that records the possession, handling, and transfer of digital evidence from the moment it is collected until it is presented in court. It ensures the integrity and admissibility of the evidence by providing a clear and transparent record of who had custody of the evidence at each stage. To maintain the chain of custody, it is crucial to: 1. Document all individuals who come into contact with the evidence, including their names, positions, and the dates and times of custody transfers. 2. Use secure packaging and tamper-evident seals to prevent unauthorized access or tampering. 3. Store the evidence in a secure location with controlled access and proper environmental conditions. Data acquisition and preservation are critical steps in digital forensics. This tutorial has provided an overview of the guidelines for evidence collection, imaging, and hashing techniques, and the importance of maintaining a chain of custody. In the next tutorial, we will explore the process of analyzing and examining the acquired digital evidence.